The Garoland State Movement Committee (Gsmc), led by co-chairman Shri Balkarin CH Marak and Additional General Secretary Shri Bostond M. Sangma, on the 18th of August 2022, met with two leaders of Tripura's Triple-Land statehood demand groups in Agartala Smart City, including Shri Prafiyot Bikram Manikia Debarma, the current chairman of Tripura Autonomous District Council and the president of Tripaha Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance. The organization discussed the issue of tribe protection and the demand for a separate state, particularly in the region of Tripura and Garoland states. In terms of discussion, he responded positively and agreed to cooperate in all tribal issues that were raised. In addition, the organization met with Shri N.C. Debarma, Tripura's current Cabinet Minister of Land and Revenue. They discussed matters on tribal unity and integrity throughout the Northeast region, as well as support for Garoland state's demand. According to the Tripuri minister, regional parties should come out and wake up the tribal slumber community in the Northeast region. He also stated that regional parties must collaborate without exclusion of any tribal community in the region. The Garoland State Memorandum has been submitted to the Government of India by Gsmc. According to Additional General Secretary Bostond M. Sangma and co-chairman Balkarin CH Marak, our forefathers submitted various memorandums to the GOI, and in the year of 2017, the Gsmc also submitted a Garoland State Memorandum to the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Nonetheless, our request has not been met until now. That is why we came to Tripura to accompany you for the demand of both Triple-Land and Garoland states.
Visiting kana kata Tripura len ko ibahas nga dengan minister ko aro tentang parti ni tergolong penguasa jen tau CN Development President of the Indigenous People Forum of Tripura ya President ko singa penguasa onda ke tentang mansa ya Tripura Alliance Party Pradot Bikram Manikia Development ko singa penguasa onda ke singa ko penguasa mana singa bini reksno bini Garoland ni gaman biya akan cakaha wa biya pusat pokok cenga ba onda simangna ni akan cakaha cenga ba penglongen kusiongaha onda ke wa CN development ba cenga satisfiko nata simang cenga ba na semang na support ka Garoland ni gaman aro na semua cenga Garoland ni gaman support kabu onda ke akan aha onda ke cenga nama kusi ongi akan cakani rang ko cenga manaha onda ke cenga longen kang ciba kadonga aro jak kugang na katsa longen kusiongye Tripura mengabsan kam karam na katsa kusiongye nga ni ga katsa mangci absan jak kugana ni kadonga ya cabinet minister ni masih kani kadi ya anjitan आज का सोनी गमन kaoksia ba Tripura state to mai ni kanirang ungia chem ni kanirang ko mana pete galan again tidak kode je kita Tripuri mandirang dunga dua Tripurang ni mandirang na bini naljok pa kampu pani gemen cikrang ba garurang ba ya naljok pa kampu pani again bako angana ha bini gemen sengat lo ya NC Department ko grungi jen cabinet au minister ngecem land and revenue ni aro forest ni ngecem ko grungi sengat dalo namin kat sabia aro iya nak ba inspiring katarang ko ba chawatani ba gisik nangat ka ba katarang ko cenga ya minister akan tadi gemen cenga nam namin kusyonga arom khangchiba Garoland statement committee ni kita cenga Tripura na support ka ani ko na aro yamang ba anchini Garoland state na khangchi support ka gen ko jana pingon wa mong ba ancha support ka na kusyonga uni gemen anching hai Tripura na ujamena Garoland state na ujamena anching apsan ku monge anchini state ko mana manusia nak keng have sang mga sing kambuka na